Hey peeps, welcome back to Snail TV. Well, this episode is all about moving. We did get the new place. Just a couple of things at the moment is I've had a lot of people offer to help. Unfortunately, I couldn't take anyone's offer. New place hasn't got no power, so all the CCTV cameras and stuff are all off of them, not off of me. So I couldn't let anyone else sort of on the premises. I actually had to sign up a waiver form just to get all my stuff in there for this weekend. I'm just trying to get out in the next couple of weeks so I don't have to go to this court date. So that's where we're at at the moment. So I'm just getting everything out at the moment. Moved everything. So as you can see, trailers all been loaded, no cars in here. Just got a couple of little tools and stuff like that ready to go. Welder, some parts and stuff. And yeah, I did the cars last night just so no one would see them on the road. As I said, I don't want to, it's not a show off place. I don't want anyone to sort of know where I am. Obviously the people in the facility probably will, but that's about it. I've got the other shed all cleared out with where the 2J Civic was. Just take you through it. Alright, so all done. I just got the lawnmower and the whipper snipper that my brother's brought. I just got to run the airline back out, and yeah, this shed's all done. So I don't want to show you over there because I've got another new project, so I'll take you over here. So yeah, as I said, I do have another project. I picked it up the other night for an absolute bargain, so I'm so excited. So at the moment I literally have everything, all the projects except for one or two in my head that are sort of, I don't actually know what I want to do. But everything else, I've actually got all the projects that I have ideas for. So yeah, I'll take a quick video in the new place as well, just to show you what sort of room I've got. As I said, it's not the biggest workshop in the world, but it's just perfect for my own use sort of thing. So as I said, I'm not going to be doing, it's not a shop, so I won't be doing nothing there. I'm sort of a mechanic. I don't like that shit. So it is purely just for pretty much just to make this YouTuber thing sort of thing. So yeah, I've got everything out there. I've still got the two projects out there. I've still got the boat to go, and also the other project. Good thing is the other little jet boat is still up at the river. Haven't had any time to go back up there. As I said, just been pretty hectic last few weekends, just getting stuff done. Yeah, so everything else is looking pretty good. I'm really loving the new workshop. Still got a lot of things, a couple of things there to go. Still got aircon to go, back fence, and also obviously power needs to get turned on. So I haven't got no power, so that's why, as I said, I can't let anyone out there at the moment. It's just because I had to sign a waiver form to get there myself, and yeah, I'm not going to do that for everyone that wants to come down there. So yeah, thanks again everyone for offering to help. Yeah, so there's a few people there that wanted to help out, but unfortunately, as I said, I can't have everyone there. So I managed just to quickly grab a trailer off of my mate, and yeah, I'll get everything done myself. It's just easier on that way. But yeah, so the cars were an easy thing. As I said, the only thing was the wheelbases are just so tiny on the little Civic, so fitting them on the car trailer was a little bit of a nightmare, but you know, they got on there. So yeah, this is where it's at. As I said, I didn't say I was making the last video at this place before, but obviously this is moving, so this is a different video and such. Brake caliper has come in for the half a booster. So in the new workshop, when we get power, next couple of days, I can actually get that on, and we can get that thing apart. That's the only thing I needed to wait for to weld on the rear caliper. So get that on there and do that. Got a couple of things changing on the 2JZ Civic, because I want to change a couple of things over, but that's a bit later as well. And yeah, but this is all pretty much about moving. So I'll cut in a second just because we're at the new place, and I'll show you through it. Yeah, so hopefully it's all good. As I said, I can't have the dog there at the moment. It's just because it hasn't got a back fence. Obviously it is a shed, but the back bit was for my dog to come down and yeah, look after the back of their piece. So yeah, that's what it is, guys. Yeah, I'll just finish uploading here now. I'm almost done on this round trip. So I've had 3 car trailers so far, that's it. And yeah, I'll come back and I'll probably grab the boat, and I need to go grab the hoist. So thanks very much for everyone that's put up a couple of things on the hoist. So I've managed to get one. This one was a 240 volt, which is good. I didn't want a 3-phase. Can obviously get converter, or you can also obviously change the motor over, which I probably would have done, but yeah, all in all, it would have worked anyway as well. But this round is just 240 volt. I got it for a good price. Plug it in and ready to go. So it's not a clear floor. It's actually a obviously cables over on the floor, that's fine for me. I did want a clear floor, obviously, because I got most of the cars that were pretty low. But as I found actually out last night that not the drag car, but the other Civic is actually not really that low. So yeah, it'd be fine pushing that up on the hoist when I need to when I put the gearbox in. So yeah, that's where it is, guys. All right, I'll cut to the new place in a second. Let's start. All right, guys, at the new place now. Yeah, take a look around. So obviously, my son's gaming room, but that's going to be in here. And if you can kind of see, I'll just put the roller door up, guys. And yeah, there we have it. So as I said, I already got a couple of cars here already. And yeah, my own shop, absolutely love it. So excited. So yeah, that's what I've wanted for years. Outside sink. And yeah, so still got aircon to go. Obviously power, there's no power in here, so that's why I've got to do it during the day. Scored a tiny little lathe off of a mate. It is a very small little lathe, but it should get me started on a couple of little things. And yeah, and obviously in here there is just a couple of little things to go as well. So all right, look at the new place. And outside here is and that there will be my courtyard. So that's going to give it all rubble and obviously fenced off where that fence is. So it's not massive, but it's good enough for my dog at the moment. And yeah, so he will spend a tiny little time here when I'm here, and yeah, he'll come in here and I don't know, piss on things like he normally does. So yeah, pretty chuffed. All I literally have to make sure is my son's got somewhere to do his gaming, because that's where he likes to game. So it's either going to be in there, or I'm going to probably build a place up top there. So there's another place across the road that has another one. But yeah, we'll go up there. I'm just trying to sort out the layout. I don't know if I'm going to have that as the workshop over there, or have the toys here or something like that. So I'm still not 100%. I haven't actually got everything organized, but I just want to bring a couple more things here, and then I'll go through and see what I've got. So but I really want to try to put things where they go. So because I just don't want to move everything 5 times, that's all. Yeah, just kind of, it's more of a look around, just making sure like what things are going to fit. Obviously I still got the boat. Well, I've got 2 boats, but the bigger one anyway. And the other project that I've got coming as well, obviously the halfer is over there, and yeah, and obviously the high boost has got to come here as well. So they're not that big, so they're only go-karts, which is all right. I could probably move these 2 over a bit closer over here, and then fit the 2 go-karts here, because yeah, I just really want like more finished stuff over here. So just get away from the dust. That's what I was thinking anyway. But yeah, or you just have them sort of lined up along here. Hoist, I'm still not sure as well, so we're gonna sort out where the hoist is gonna go, but I'll get all that organized today. So yeah, it is what it is. I've already just been here for like 10-20 minutes at a time. Met a couple of the other guys last night and whatnot, and yeah, it is what it is. So yeah, pretty chuffed. As I said, still got electricity here, guys. So I've got big LED lights, which is, they are like wicked. I've seen them they're across the road working last night, and they are so bright. So that's a good thing. Obviously, big truck roller door on the front, and little one at the back to get at the back there. Yeah, so first time I come here, the shed was actually just done and no lighting, no nothing else. Yeah, it's what it is. So let's have a look at what else we can fit, and yeah, we'll go from there. Let's do it. Alright guys, probably like 4th load now I reckon. I've got the booster on the back, and yeah, just unloading, get everything unloaded. I just got to go pick up the hoist today as well. The guys just messaged me that you can't do it tomorrow, so unfortunately I've got to cut the moving a little bit short, but I haven't got too much. I've only got my big toolbox to go, and I think my workbench, and that's, I just cut the other stuff on all the K24 parts on the other side. Yeah, and then I just got to work out where we're going to put these hoists, that's all. That's my sort of biggest concern. I'm not sure if I've got everything set out properly, so we'll see. We'll wait and see. Alright, well, I'll see you at the workshop. Alright peeps, what a day, eh? Got pretty much most of it all done. I'm not going to show you over there, right in front of me. I've got another project, as I said, but so far so good. So obviously the boat with the engine swap we don't know yet, and obviously go-kart, obviously just took the go-kart for a burn, and everything, yeah, hoist. So hoist is starting to get, and the workshop stuff's starting to come as well. So I've still got toolboxes to go, and obviously my bit of racking and whatnot as well. So I've got a decent racking coming as well, racking system, and yeah, just looking forward to the move pretty much. So yeah, welders and stuff here as well. Just been sussing a couple of things out, what I need to get as well, but that's it. So been yeah, absolutely loving it. So I hope you guys are enjoying it. I'm just absolutely chuffed. So still waiting for obviously the power to get turned on. Should be any day now, and we can, yeah, this is gonna be awesome. So have also, I don't want to show you this project, but right here have got ourselves a aircon. So that's been pretty awesome. Got that really cheap. Yeah, and yeah, got it while we're just taking the hooking up the hoist, and the guy had it there for sale. So yeah, quick $50, and it's ours. Works awesome. So obviously I've tried it here because I ain't got power, but yeah, at his house it all turned on, no worries. Yeah, absolute wrap. So I've still got a couple more loads. I've got no more vehicles now. I've still got 3 more motors to come, a couple of hoists to come, like engine hoist, and a couple of engine cranes to come, and I'm just starting to get everything. I really want to get the boat in the corner over here where this other project is. and just so it's out the way for now. So I really want to get the hull and actually turn it upside down, because I need to do some couple of things underneath that I'll show you very soon, guys. Apart from that, guys, everything else is sweet. So there's been a couple of motorbike riders around here so far already. Do a couple of burnouts down the corner. Yeah, so obviously it is industrial, so you can yeah, do whatever you want to do. So pretty wrapped with that. But apart from that, I reckon I'll finish up, guys. I'll move the rest of the stuff tomorrow, and yeah, we'll go from there. So as I said in mine, I have got a new project there. We're looking right at it right now. Yeah, it's going to be pretty sweet as well, but I really want to go take you through the boat project. So first, just to let you know what sort of engine we will be putting in that. So yeah, it is there. So if you keep guessing, guys, if you don't know what the engine wise we are putting in there, we still haven't got the winner yet. There's been a couple of guys mentioning some engines there, but no one's guessed it yet. So keep guessing, and let me know. So don't message me, put it on the YouTube or on Facebook if you want. Obviously, yeah, so everything's going well. So obviously, thanks very much, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and hopefully I might do another video before power gets turned on, but hopefully power gets turned on during the week, and I can yeah, start doing some stuff in here. So yeah, thanks very much, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. See you, peeps.